Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here, and today we're talking about proper diagnosis of your vehicle. We're also talking about why the best money spent is on a qualified technician to diagnose your vehicle properly and not throwing components at a car. Start out with diagnosis. Often folks think you just plug into the vehicle and you pull up a code and it tells you what to repair. Nothing could be further from the truth, to be honest with you. Yes, codes do give us systems that have issues in them, can pinpoint anything from EGR problems, mass airflow sensor issues, lean codes, computer problems, all kinds of issues that come with a vehicle when you end up with a check engine light. Remember that check engine light can come on for a multitude of issues, and when it does, we need to pull the system code, start with verification, we go through pin testing, component replacement and verification of the repair, and retesting. It's quite a process, and when done by a qualified technician, is a very good process that will save you money in the long run and prevent from expensive extra parts being installed on your vehicle or creating other issues with your vehicle. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man from West Automotive Group.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.